Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll be showing a technique for extending nail length using glass fiber. By placing fluffy white fibers on the nails and adding thickness with gel, you can create nail extensions that are not only thick, but also incredibly strong. While it is a less common approach to nail extensions, I'll provide a detailed explanation in this video, so be sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This is what we are using this video. This is called glass fiber. Glass fiber is highly resilient and can be used to fix cracked nails or extend nail length. There are also sheet-type products made from the same glass fiber. But in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use this thread-like glass fiber. We'll start by opening it right up. When you take it out, you'll find 10 bundled glass fibers. The end that is dyed pink had adhesive and is hard, so make sure to attach the other side to the nail. When I tried it before, I felt that using one bundle for a single finger was too much. So I'll split one bundle into two. But I'll be using one bundle for a thumb since it's large. Now, I'll explain the process step by step. We'll start by preparing the natural nails. If the white part of the natural nails is too long, it will get in the way of the extension. So keep it as short as possible. After using a ceramic pusher for nail care, lightly file the surface of the nails, remove oils with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. Now, we'll prepare the glass fiber. Divide a bundle in half and use it for one nail. Since the fibers are not evenly spread out like this, use the end of the brush or a pen to roll over the fibers to spread them out evenly. Don't stretch the pink dyed side. Just roll on the white side over here. If you break apart the glass fibers, it can make cleaning a hassle, so try to keep them in this bundled state as much as possible for ease of use. Once the fibers are flattened and spread out, the prep is complete. Now, before placing the fiber on the nails, we'll apply lengthening gel to the nails. Use your builder gel or hard gel for this. You could use a regular base coat, but using hard gel is better to avoid a weaker finish. If you prefer using a base coat, keep the extended part within 5 mm for added security. Once you've applied the hard gel over the entire nail, place the prepared glass fiber on top. Position the fiber about 1/3 from the tip of the nail. Put the fiber slightly closer to the tip than the highest point when looking at the nail from the side. This gives a nice shape following the natural curve of the nail. After putting a glass fiber on the nail, press it down firmly using a wooden stick. When you press firmly, you'll see the gel penetrating the glass fiber, making it transparent. Also, when pressing the fiber, make sure to cover both sides of the nail entirely with the fiber. If you don't cover the nail tip with the fiber, it might become weaker in that area. Make sure to thoroughly cover the entire nail, including the tip. Once the entire nail is covered with fiber, cure it with your nail lamp. After curing, you will cut the glass fiber to your desired length. But it's important to cut the fiber slightly longer than the desired length. It's not easy using scissors to cut, so use nail clippers or nail nippers for a clean cut. Keep the cut fiber, because you can roll and stretch it for future use. After cutting the fiber, apply the lengthening gel on top. Begin by applying the gel over the fiber section. Rub the gel onto the glass fiber, ensuring it penetrates and becomes transparent. Apply the gel not only on the surface but also from the back to ensure thorough penetration. Once the fiber becomes transparent, apply the gel to the base of the natural nail to eliminate any height difference. Apply the gel to create a uniform surface without any bumps. Once you've spread it over the entire nail, flip the nail over and use gravity to further smooth out any unevenness. After 5 to 10 seconds, return it to its original position. Once the surface is even, expose it to the light for about 10 seconds only. After the 10 seconds, move it away from the light and perform a process called pinching. Use tweezers to pinch the nail from the side and press firmly, creating a curve on the side of the nail. Creating this curve allows you to make nails that are resistant to impact. This is a bit of a tricky process, so if it's too much for you, it's okay to skip it and move on to the next step. If you want to enhance the strength as much as you can, I recommend you give it a go. While still pinching, expose it to the light to cure it thoroughly. At this stage, check the strength of the nail. If it has gained thickness and become firm, proceed to the next step. If it's still soft and flexible, apply another layer of gel to add thickness. The number of applications may vary depending on the gel used, the amount applied, and the length of the nail. Keep applying layers until it no longer feels soft when touched. In my case, it became solid after applying one more layer. Once it's hardened, we can proceed to shape it with the file. Wipe away any sticky, uncured gel on the surface of the nail before filing. Use kitchen paper soaked in ethanol to wipe it off. Also, wipe the underside of the nail where it might still be present. Once thoroughly wiped, use a file to shape the nail. First, adjust it to your desired length. Once you've achieved the desired length, now shape the tip of the nail. Create a round or square shape, finishing it in your preferred style. After shaping the tip, now file the surface of the nail to make it smooth. Use the file along the curve of the nail, drawing circular motions to smooth out any unevenness. If the nail appears too thick when viewed from directly above, file it vertically to reduce the thickness. This way, you can make the bulky appearance look sleeker. Once the nail surface is smooth, again use kitchen paper soaked in ethanol to wipe away any filing residue. If you are applying color gel afterward, proceed in the following order of base coat, color gel, and then the top coat. In this case, I'll apply a top coat to finish it. Once you've finished applying the top coat, let it cure. And this completes it. The best thing about using fiberglass for lengthening is that it gives strength as well. If you've had difficulties achieving good results with gel due to the strength in the past, be sure to give this method a go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the good button. And if you like similar video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.